Hey guys, before this video starts, I just want to let you know the following video that we're about to watch in this episode, the ending of the episode has been censored with something else, right? It's based off of a creepypasta of SpongeBob. But, yeah. Alright, on to the show. Hey everyone, it's your boy, Jimmy Jaden.
And it's me, Jeremy Brockington.
And today, we're going to be reacting to a lost SpongeBob episode. Oh, and let's say hello to Joy. Hi Joy, she's outside.
Hey Joy.
Normally I would stop filming if she's barking. But,
Oh,
I heard that. I heard that. You said be quiet and don't bark. But guess what? Normally I would stop filming if Joy barks while we're doing this, but that's alright. She can bark in the video because, like, one of the clips in the video we're reacting to kind of relates to her barking. Yeah.
Okay.
So anyway, today we're about to watch a lost SpongeBob episode.
Love SpongeBob.
You do?
Yep.
Yeah, so...
And I love Patchy the Pirate and his bird friend.
yeah, really awesome. So,
That's right.
yeah, so this episode is from 2005. It was supposed to be Fear of the Krabby Patty, but it was hijacked into something else, so it got canceled after a test screen audience, and it was made by Andrew Skinner.
Okay, cool.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see this thing.
Actually, it's not cool because it was disturbing for the test audience.
What?
Uh-huh. So this episode is called Red Mist. It focuses mainly on Squidward.
Better not be scary.
Well, it's gonna be the opposite. It might be. Alright, let's start this.
I'm trusting this.
Clickety-clack, we are back.
Oh yeah, that title screen already looks creepy.
Hey look, Andrew Skinner. That's the guy who made it. They probably forgot the bubble transition. I've seen Red Mist before in 2012.
Yeah, the moment. Not interested.
Oh, Squidward's not interested.
I remember that guy from Pretty Patty. What happened to his
Red
eyes?
Mist is coming.
What?
Red Mist.
What Red Mist? Oh yeah, like the title.
Oh, no one's gonna let him practice. They're just annoying him.
Yep. Sounds like Mary Had a Little Lamb.
Well, you knock it off. I have a concert to practice for.
Sure thing,
Now,
Squidward.
let me look what's under here.
Whoa.
Ladies and gentlefish, Bikini Bottom
Whoa,
Community
look,
Rec Center is proud to
His eyes are
present
creepy.
Squidward Tentacles.
Why is his eyes look...
What happened to everyone's eyes? Even SpongeBob's booing. Of course I've seen this before. And my nose is itching a little bit. Oh, no, wait.
Oh my god, they booed him and they... Whoa.
Whoa.
Okay, now I'm getting a little freaked out.
Yep, I am. Yeah, a lot of people were scared of this episode.
What's he doing now?
Walking home.
Why does he look like a freaky ghost?
Yeah, there was a few times where Squidward was gray in the SpongeBob pilot, right? Like there was a goof in there. And sometimes when it's a little too bright, he'll look gray.
So he's having a very long walk.
Yeah, he is. I bet his tentacles might be hurting.
I think he's pissed.
He might be.
His concert was a complete disaster.
Yeah. Or he might be.
Booed.
I think he's really sad.
He doesn't look sad to me. He looks freaking weird.
I know, right? Yeah. Whoa! That scared me.
Why is it... This is not really SpongeBob.
It is, but it's animated by Andrew Skinner. Yeah. To be honest, though...
Okay, it's broken.
Broken?
Yep, it's broken.
It's not broken.
Oh, there it goes. Back.
Normally at nighttime, Squidward's house would be red, but now it's blue. Must have been a goof. Squidward looks down.
Squidward looks sad.
He does. You see,
He looks very sad.
sometimes in videos, whenever we react to them, sometimes the videos might be louder than us, so we have to talk really, really loud.
His playing was horrible.
It was, though. But seriously, though. Oh, yeah. That picture of Squidward, oh.
But he tried his best.
Yeah.
He's just sad.
Yeah. Few sour notes. Yeah, but that part...
More like all of them.
Yeah, but guess what? Yeah, so,
What?
So the part where Squidward's looking down is actually from Squidward reading a book on DeviantArt from 2004. Well, it doesn't have the bed in it, but it's outside of his house reading a book.
Oh, he's just reading. I thought he was very sad, but
He's not
just reading.
He's not reading, he's sad.
Oh, yes, he is. Don't try to scare me.
No, he's actually sad. I mean, like that picture, but in this one, he's sad. Because, you know, everyone booted him and he feels humiliated.
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah. Also, lesson from Red Mist and Squidward, do not ask who Joe is.
Who's Joe?
Joe Mama!
Joe! There!
Yeah, see,
Got me.
and guess what? Whenever you say Joe Mama in a meme, it'll have Slenderman saying Joe Mama. But it'll have Squidward say, don't ask who Joe is.
Too late, I already asked.
Oh. Well, he's gonna appear any moment now. Well, it's getting... Oh, jeez. What?
Hey, you.
What?
Yeah, you. Guess what?
What is it?
I am ruling your nest.
Nest?
My nest?
What is this? The screen
This is my nest?
Yes. Oh,
What's happening?
that part freaked me out.
What's happening? Is this a cursed video?
Yes, it is a cursed video.
How do they know about my nest?
This might be a cursed video, though. It's from 2005.
It's like the devil.
Yeah. I think he's been planning to take your nest since 2005.
How does he even know me?
Well, I think I saw a video with you and your grandpa, and then Squidward came out of the water watching you.
Oh no, that's freaky, man.
Yeah, he's been wanting that nest so
You must
bad.
protect me.
Oh, I will. Jeremy, it's okay.
Make him go away. Turn this video off.
Okay. It's not working.
No, look, they're trying to force me to see this.
It won't let me shut it off.
It's not right.
And second of all, this was emailed to me.
I'm gonna unplug it.
Wait. Yeah. What? It's unplugged, but it's still on?
Oh my god.
God. This is even worse than the Wario apparition.
This is definitely a cursed video.
This is a cursed video. This was emailed to me.
How is it still on when the
Oh my! I just saw it twitch. Oh my god. I'm freaked out by this. This was emailed to me by Andrew Skinner.
You did this on purpose.
What? It wasn't me, it was Mr. Andrew Skinner.
You're always scaring me.
This is freaking me out, man. I remember seeing this video in 2012. I was so scared.
Come on, man. What's the trick?
This was as far as I got. Wait, whoa. Did you see that? It said, hey, Jeremy, guess what? Squidward will take your nest.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so freaky.
No, this is not good.
This ain't good at all.
Not good.
This is not good. What's going on?
Where'd you find this video?
I told you, it was emailed to me by Andrew.
Who the hell's Andrew?
Remember the guy that made this animation, Andrew Skinner from 2005? He emailed it to me yesterday.
I think he's after me.
He might be. That scared me for real.
Break my screen. Don't ask who Joe is or I will take your nest.
Well, you already did that, so.
Oh, already asked. Too late. You better not mess with my nest.
Oh my god. I am.
What's that sound?
I'm freaked out. What? I think
Who's that?
I think that might be his car pulling up. Nope.
Oh
That's
no.
it. I'm out of
I'm
here.
going to check on my nest.
I love my life. I am leaving.
Oh my god, who is that? Squidward?
Yes, it's me. So,
How do you know where I live? What are you doing here?
well, I've been waiting for this day to come. Your nest! Now, give me your nest!
No! No! Pick your eyes out! Get away from my nest!
I'm gonna turn you into a feather duster if you don't stop. Just let me get your nest! I got the nest! Bye-bye!
What happened? Where did he go?
Alright, Jeremy, I'm back from the bathroom. What happened? I heard noises.
Nope, you're not gonna believe it. Squidward's here and he got my freaking nest.
Wait, what?
Yes, he did.
Oh,
He got my freaking nest. That's it.
serious, man. This cannot be happening.
Nope, that's it. I'm pecking out the screen.
Oh, hey, Jeremy! Stop it! Hey, don't catch the screen!
Help, you're on this.
Netflix!
Yeah,
Well,
right.
well, I'm gonna... Hey, Jeremy! I'm gonna help get the Netflix. Hold on, I'll be right back, Jeremy.
You better help me.
Oh! Sure showed that octopus a lesson. Well, Jeremy?
Did you get it?
Yes, I got it. I put it in the kitchen room.
Oh, thank you, Jimmy Jaden.
You're welcome. Yeah, it's in the dining room over there.
You're the best.
Thanks, Jeremy.
You're number one.
Yeah. Next time, I won't let anyone take your nest. Alright?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate it. Be sure to like, subscribe, turn on notifications, and comment down below that you subscribe. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.